So the first thing as we talk about the project. So let's start with the projects. So we all know that what is a project is a collection of tasks that will be completed to achieve a certain outcome, right? And in Jira, project can be thought of as a container used to organize and track those tasks or issues across the entire team. And if you talk about project in terms of Jira, there are three key elements. First is the issues on which need to be worked, people who will work on the issues, and workflows, how the issue is moving from one step to another step. So these are the three key elements: issues, a small bit-sized pieces of work to be called work, which are called issues; people or team who are going to accomplish those tasks together; and third, workflows, how this one task is there, how this task is, like right now it's to do, then in progress, then QA, then done. So these are the key elements of a project. We'll do all the practicals after this one or two slides, so don't worry guys, it's not a totally theoretical, it's a practical. So we'll see how all this can be used. So I'm talking about here Kanban templates and Scrum template. We'll see. So if there is continuous development is going on and you are only focusing on the progress and continuous flow of work, then definitely we can go with the Kanban when we have to choose the project type or project template, not type. And if team is following agile methodology, in that case our template should be a Scrum, right? So that you can prioritize our task, our list. We can create the interval of certain goals need to be achieved, right? So let us see some practical aspect instead of too much talking on the theoretical part. So guys, let me uh, log out from here so that you will see the first how we are going to from here. So I'm first login here, j.altmatic@gmail.com, right? So I had created my account here, so it's not a big deal. When we start to create account on Jira, you'll have to provide your some subdomain or company name, and by that name it will create a subdomain, and after that you can log in and start to work on. So right now no projects is there, so actually it's all removed for the demo purpose. So if I'm going to view all projects, nothing is here, right? So here is the create project. On the top navigation you can see projects, right? Create project. So here is something very interesting, and we have to choose our project templates very wisely. So if you see here, according to my, when I created my account on Jira, it has asked some questions to me. What type of work I'm doing, what nature of business I have. So on the basis of it, Jira is suggesting some project template. I can have customer service management, I can have IT service management, project management, product discovery. So these are the some suggestion by Jira. But if you see these classifications, there is some classification on project templates. First is the software development. So if I am dealing with the software development, so my project templates can be Kanban, Scrum, top level planning, cross team planning, product roadmap, or bug tracking. So we can choose, as all these are related to the software development, we can choose any according to our need. If there is no any agile then we can go with the Kanban. If Scrum is following, then we can go with the Scrum. This is something to monitor the multiple projects and with the stakeholders. It's top level planning one, nothing to do with the development. It's a cross team, like multiple teams were working together, and for that we can use this template. Like we are planning to have a product development, then for the roadmap you can use this template. If there is a QA team and who is dealing with the bug tracking, we can go to use this template. So here what is the meaning of template? Actually, what will happen based on the selection of these different templates, the layout of or the features inside working with task and issue will be little changed. Like as I told you, Scrum is different than Kanban. So layout will be changed. Here once I'll create a project using this template, I will have sprints. It will not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, right? If I'm creating a bug tracking type of project, so it will be little different. All are the issues, all are the bugs. No stories, only bugs. So it will narrow down the features according to the template we are going to choose here. So if you're dealing with the software development, out of these templates I will choose one of. Even the service management team can use this tool. This service can be customer, IT service, general service, HR service, finance, facilities, marketing, analytics, legal, sales, design, IT services. All these are a service management. Work management team can also use this tool, whether it's a project management, task tracking. So if you see, they have according to the different whatever the possibility can be of a different type of team, whether it's a HR, whether it's a development, whether it's a legal, whether it's a finance, whether it's a design or operations or sales, they have different project templates, right? So I'm going to choose like one of the, like here the Scrum one, right? I'm choosing this one. Then we are talking about project type. As we have already talked, this is the simplified configuration, this is the export configuration. Running quickly with simplified configuration, and basically this is from the JIRA administrations need to be managed, and whatever the globally any change will be done, it will affect all the projects, but here it will be centric to the team or the project which is following this type. So guys, I think you are very much clear about very careful. I think you should be very careful while you are going to choose, should I go with the team managed project or company managed project. I think it's clear, right? Any question on that?
Jay, actually, the after signing up, I'm seeing a different screen in my Jira. So I'm following yours, but for me, I'm seeing a different screen in my Jira.
uh, I think, have you choose the free one?
Yes, I choose the free one. I signed up via my company ID. That's correct, right?
Yeah. So basically I am using the this one. Maybe
Okay.
that is the reason. The standard version I am using,
Hmm.
so that's why the different layout you are able to see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yours is detailed and mine is like, okay, do this, do that. It's like that. It's asking me to start working.
Okay. Okay. So are you not able to choose like different templates, project templates?
Uh, one minute. My projects. I just created one Learn Jira Scrum for. It asked me whether you are doing a software developer, customer management, like that. It was asking. I selected software project for that.
I think these are initial questions. When you create an account on Jira,
Hmm.
they ask such questions. But after once account is set up, these questions are not asked by them,
Okay. Uh-huh.
right?
Right. Okay.
Yeah, just they are following some. There are some questionnaires to know about the person
Okay.
who is going to use this Jira tool,
Ah. Okay. I understood. Okay.
right? Once you done,
Right.
or I think you can see the skip. There will be skip also. Skip this question.
Ah. Yes. Yes. That some places I skipped it.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. So you see, when I was showing this, let me go back if this is allowing me. Change template. You see,
Hmm. Ah. Made for you.
why is suggesting? It's suggesting because I have given some
Hmm.
response while creating my account,
Okay.
right?
I understood. I understood. Okay.
Maybe I've skipped, maybe I've not given any answer. That's why by default they are suggesting use these things. If I have given some specific question, maybe I have chosen at that time.
Hmm.
So after I do the development, maybe they will suggest this one only,
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
right?
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So you can skip those, and
Hmm.
once account is set up, you can move to the create project,
Okay.
right? So so guys, I'm just creating using one template. So I think you are all clear about the templates, right? Any any question on template? Because they have created lots of templates, and we should know what is the meaning of this. Because if you choose
Yeah.
wrong template, it means whatever you are trying to do or use the Jira for the your purpose, you are not going to fulfill if you choose the wrong template.
Okay. Okay. For now, I got templates. I am getting is Kanban, Scrum, and business.
Yeah, based on your questionnaire, whatever the answer you given that time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I understood. So for me, oh, based on the questionnaire, they are suggesting only three. Okay,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
understood.
whatever the algorithm or conditions they have applied there.
Hmm.
Yes, yes. So I think we are all clear about the templates one, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. So let's move with this Scrum. Use this template, and we are talking about this team managed or company managed. So, guys, I'm trying to. Some people are already using this Jira tool, and some of the topics may be not new to them, but maybe some of the members who are very new to this tool, so they will that will help to them also. So it's very important to know this terminology and while creation the project, so that it's a better understanding among the team members. And configuration of your project is very important in Jira. So while creating the project, it's almost you are going to configure your project, right? So choosing a right template. Now I'm going to choose the right type. So if my work is team centric, I will go with the team managed type. If my work is not team centric, it's my organization centric, there are 10 teams, all teams are doing the similar type of works, no deviation, no change. Why should I go with the team managed? One person can manage everything, one rule or one blueprint is applied to all the teams, right? So maybe there can be different organization who have the similar work. They have 100 people workforce, 10 team in each, 10 members in each team, all are doing the similar work, same framework. In that case, we'll go with the company managed. But if my project nature is different methods I'm using, someone is using the Kanban, someone is using the Scrum, or different team types are there in this organization, that organization. One is the QA, another is the software development, there is HR team, and all are going to use this tool. So definitely we need to have this team managed project type. So choose here. So you see here, Scrum I had chosen my template and type is team managed. Now I'll give a name of the project here. So my first Scrum project. I'm just a random name. I'm checking this one. And then there is a access. Who will access my project? So there are three access levels. One is private, limited, open. Here the meaning of private is whomever I will invite, only those people can search, view, create or edit the issues. Final intention is to work on the issues. Issues means task, story, bug, etc. or test cases. So, so to whomever I will invite. Limited. So limited means whoever access to this URL, only this URL, right? Like automatic take alteration.net, whoever access to this URL and whatever they can see, but what they will not able to do. If they have access this URL, and what they can do, can search or view and comment on this project's issue. Only access on this one, right? But only the people who are invited or added to the system will able to create or edit those issues. And third is the open. Anyone who have access to this URL can search, view, create, edit the issues. So open is not recommended. Limited is also not recommended in organization. If you are working, why will give you access to someone to, once you will have this only URL access, they will able to see all the issues? No. So for privacy, we will go with the private. And this is the one key, unique key generated by the JIRA based on the name of my project. You see, it took the first character of each word, MFSP, right? So this is used by JIRA inside there for many references. Now next. So it's asking, but JIRA project it created, but it's asking to, are you going to connect with some repository? Because my this account has one app installed and it's connected to the JIRA, GitHub. This JIRA is connected to my GitHub account. We'll see later on, tomorrow we'll see how we can connect. So it's asking to, are you looking to create, connect with this project with some repository in the GitHub? So right now I'm not looking. We'll see tomorrow. So now my project is created, and this is the project JIRA board. Whatever the project we created, this is the JIRA board. So clear guys, any confusion while creating the project, you can ask me. I'll be happy to respond.
I am clear, Jay. No, no doubts here.
Okay, great. Anybody else, please? I know some of you guys using this first time, so please, if you ask me, I can repeat, I can explain.
I'm good as well.
Okay, great. So guys, great. So let's move forward. So I think we are clear about this Kanban template and Scrum. So I have mentioned in my slide, but it's already we have covered. So we already this one we did project types. We choose team managed or company managed, right? And this is the difference I have already mentioned to you. Team managed projects are for teams who want simplified configuration and more control over their own working process and practices in a self-contained space. Self-contained space means specific to their team. Team managed projects are more managed by the project administrators, meaning that changes can be implemented without requiring the help of JIRA administrators. Simplified configurations. Configuration is very simple. Company managed. Whenever working with, I've already given you an example. Similar work, same multiple teams, similar blueprint, I will go with the company managed. Here the configuration is the global level, so some export configuration